I'm going to tell you all about my journey again.
Okay.
It lasted 20 days, all across America and Europe, and one day in Grozny. And I'm going to tell you how it happened. So first, I was sitting in my house in Connecticut, Hartford, Connecticut. You know, over there.
Connecticut?
Yep, Connecticut. And when I'm looking at the cold, cold Atlantic Ocean, I decide that I should go on board a ship, become a stowaway, and sail to Russia.
How did they say stow away?
Yes, I got
S-T-O-W.
Exactly. I got on this boat illegally, without paying, and I went to Russia somehow.
Okay.
I sailed to Russia from Connecticut. And now, well, I want to be a tourist in the Ukraine. So I went to Ukraine as a tourist from Russia.
Okay. To Donbass?
Oh, well, hey, what do you know? Well, I got bored of Donbass because there's a lot of bad stuff happening there. So I went west to Lviv.
You run away.
I went to Lviv as a refugee after going to Russia as a stowaway. And I decided, I want to see some beautiful Schengen area castles in Budapest or Budapest.
Okay. Now we know that Hungary is a Schengen zone.
Oh, it isn't? Well, okay.
No, it is. I think so.
It is, okay. So
It should be at least.
Now I'm a Ukrainian, American, Russian refugee in Hungary.
Okay.
And I decided that Hungary is so boring. There's too many, tourists from France and Germany and all these other places. I want to go somewhere more quiet. I want to go to Serbia. I'm going to go there by foot, obviously.
Okay.
But then Serbia.
Look, excuse me, by foot or on foot?
I'm going to go there. I'm going there by foot. I'm going there on foot. It's the same thing.
Okay, thank you.
And Serbia apparently has very cheap flights to North Dakota. Apparently because of the oil there.
It's a strange thing because Serbia is a small country. I don't think that in reality they have a direct flight to the States.
To North Dakota. Yeah.
Especially to North Dakota.
Yeah, so I'm going to go to North Dakota where there are...
Okay, so let's suppose that you chartered this plane, okay?
Okay, maybe I just stole a plane. I hijacked a plane. I told everybody, you better give me your plane or else. And they gave me their airplane and I flew to North Dakota to get some oil. Because there's oil in North Dakota. Okay, so after sitting there for like 2 months, making that money from oil, I'm too rich, but there's nothing to do with this money in North Dakota. So I try to move towards civilization in Montana.
Okay, so Montana is a civilization.
Well, there's it's only the 45th least populated state in America, whereas North Dakota is the 46th state.
Okay, at least it is more civilized, or
yeah, just a little
it has more civilization. Okay.
Just a little bit more. There's like maybe a Starbucks there.
Okay.
And a McDonald's. But now I'm gonna go to Idaho because I want to get some potatoes before I go to real civilization that's on the ocean. And I finally reached the coast through Oregon.
Okay.
Yes, I finally...
Portland?
I've been at food, I've been at everything, I've eaten so much food and I'm in civilization. Now I'm ready to have fun. And I'm gonna go to Las Vegas in Nevada. I'm just using all of my money that I got from oil in Nevada. And I win so much money from the casinos in Las Vegas that I charter another flight.
How did you say that? You win?
I won.
Ah, you won.
I won a lot of money in casinos. So I chartered a plane from Las Vegas to Italy. Because I got tired of looking at fake Italian casinos in Las Vegas. I want to go to the real thing. I want to go to the real Venetian.
Okay.
Not the fake Venetian in Las Vegas. And, Italy is nice. Okay, I had a great time. I ate a lot of spaghetti and gelato and meatballs and
meatballs?
Yes. But I want to go somewhere new too. I want to have a European vacation. So
France.
I take a cruise to Spain.
Oh, okay.
Yes, mariachi, flamenco, and paella, tapas. So I have a lot of fun with that. And I go on another trip because I'm just that rich. I can just go on 3 cruises. And my next one is to Greece.
Greece, okay.
Greece. It's the rich man's Turkey. So I'm going to buy lots of moussaka, souvlaki, gyros.
Gyros?
Yeah.
What is it?
Gyros are like shawarma, but Greek,
Okay.
basically. So it's like Turkish food, but Greece. Well, anyways, I had a lot of fun tanning at the beach, but I'm too tan. I want to go to a more obscure country. So I go north to Bulgaria. I go to Bulgaria and I eat some white cheese in Bulgaria, and I meet a lot of Russian tourists,
Okay.
real ones. And those Russian tourists told me a lot of good things about Turkey. So I decided, all inclusive. Turkey,
All inclusive.
Antalya, I'm going there. I'm
Okay.
gonna go to Turkey. And I relaxed with other Russian tourists finally in Turkey.
Okay, let me record this. Okay, Connecticut, Atlantic Ocean, Russia, Ukraine, Hungary, Serbia, Plain, North Dakota, Montana, Idaho, Oregon, Nevada, Plain, Italy, Mediterranean, Spain. Okay, yeah, from Spain, Mediterranean, Greece, Bulgaria, Turkey. Very good.
Yes.